If you're an affiliate marketer and you've been looking to get results as fast as possible, then this video is for you, because in this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to grow your business faster in 2024. And this is not something I read from Google. It is things I have practiced. As you can see on your screen, these are the figures I have done in affiliate marketing, and they were in few months. The things that helped me to get this result is what I'm about to share with you in this video. And you need to take each and every one of them seriously, because it will help you grow your business and get the best of result. So pay attention, make sure you're listening. If this is your first time of coming to this YouTube channel, my name is Kingsley Emeka. I bring you business tips and ideas, how to make money with your smartphone on the internet, and I also bring you tips and hacks on how to grow your already existing business. So if these are the kind of topic you want to learn more about, go ahead right now and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and do not miss any of our upcoming videos, because they are always value packed. In this video, we're going to be talking to affiliates who want to grow their business in 2024 and get more results from it. And that's because once you grow this business, you make more money from it. And the very first thing you should understand in affiliate marketing is that it is not a game of luck and must not be treated like that. Affiliate marketing is never by luck, and you can never get results doing it by luck. It is not a game of gamble where you put something and start hoping that it comes out in a large form. No, affiliate marketing is the real business, like the real business you know. You see, the way the Igbo men take their business serious in the market that you know, that is how serious you should take affiliate marketing. It is capable of lifting you from the life of financial lack to a life of financial freedom. So you need to take it seriously. You need to treat it like business. A lot of people who treat it like a gamble business get the gamble results. Do you understand? So take your business seriously. Show up every day. These are the little things that really matters. So before we move to the next thing I have for you on how to grow your affiliate marketing business, one of the things you should understand is this. You have a training that you paid for to teach you how affiliate marketing business is done. There is one truth behind this training. If you do not take care of yourself by subjecting yourself to go through this training, you will always remain confused. Now, there is no farmer who goes to the farm without a farming tool and expects to do the work. That is what the course you paid for is going to do for you. It is an equipment to show you what to do before you get into the battlefield. Do not prepare for a battle in a battlefield. You prepare for it before the time of the battle. That is just like what your course is going to do for you. It is a preparation ground where you learn sales and marketing, affiliate marketing language, things you should do and how to get it, like lead generation, funnel, follow up. These are where you learn the languages of affiliate marketing. There is no way you just jump into it and start testing out waters when you don't have understanding. Whenever you do anything without having full knowledge of how that thing works, it is going to always end in a way you too will not like it. These are my personal experiences, and I'm sharing it with you because before I got the results I have today, I had to sit myself down and really go through the training and understood what I was looking for. Do you understand? So to the next tip on how to grow your affiliate marketing business, you must understand that you are dealing with people. Yes, this is a people-based business. You must come to terms that yes, you must be ready to get people, because if you do not get people, there is no way you will make the money that is expected. The training you have is to teach you how to communicate with these people, learn about human emotion and every other thing that is necessary for you to succeed. So if you go ahead to start looking for people without knowing how to talk to people when the people come to you, is also another problem. So you need to pay full attention and get what you need in your training first, because everything you're going to be doing to make the money in affiliate marketing starts with people and ends with people. Why am I saying this? Now, money is not in the hand of a monkey. Money is not on top of a tree. Money is not on the floor. They are not on the streets. So money are in the hands of people. And for you to get the money that is in the hand of people, you need to provide value. For you to actually get the money that you need as an affiliate for the product you are selling, you need to have provided a good amount of value that is equal to the money you are asking them to pay, or even above. Yes, we marketers will provide value that is above what we are asking to pay, because until people feel that they are cheating you, they are not going to pay for your training. Now, this is a screenshot of one of my students who sent me a testimony after going through one of my courses. You can see right here, she was saying that she feels like she have cheated me for paying 3K for a product of 15K. Have you seen that? That is how much you should understand the power of selling. And all of them is directed in your course. So for you to grow your business faster, you must understand that you are going to get people. And when I was talking about people factor, I mean that everything starts with people and ends with people. So when we talk about people in your affiliate marketing business, it talks about lead generation. Now, lead is the people who are interested in the kind of business you talk about. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you need to decide which niche you'll be talking about. Do you want to talk about make money? Do you want to talk about health? Do you want to talk about travel? What do you want to talk about? Anyone you choose to talk about, it must be a solution providing product, because you cannot just bring any product. People cannot find the value of that product. I bet you no one is going to pay for it. But if I'm telling you about a product that can help you with information to make more money, you'll be interested, because yes, everybody wants to make more money. Yes, even the richest man today in the world is still looking for ways and ideas to make more money. You get it? Yes. So when your product is about money making, people will want to pay for it. Yes, we are still talking about people. So when you have picked a niche to talk about, focus on that niche so that people will not be confused when they come to you. So when you are getting people, which is very important, make sure you are focused on one niche. Now, when I talk about a niche, I'm not talking about you picking one product. Yes, if you are in the make money niche, there's something I did recently. I had so many products that will teach people how to make money, and the products were ranging from 5k, 8k, 15k, 35k. And when I advertised the 35k offer, people who couldn't afford it were asking me if there's another one. Of course, there's another one. I gave them the one of 20k, I gave them the one of 15k. Everybody paid, I still got my commission as an affiliate. Do you understand? Yeah, so it is not everybody who you get for your product that can afford the product. So you need to have every other offer apart from the one you are offering. That means you need to be affiliating for so many products that is attached to that product you are already selling. I'm telling you what has helped me grow and make money as an affiliate marketer. Because imagine you're selling a product of 20,000 naira and the person who came to you have just 15,000 naira and he wants to start immediately. What if the person asks you, is there any other one that my money can afford? What will you do? Will you say no and leave the person to go? No, we don't do like that. That's why we are marketers. We bring solution. All you need to do is to look for another product that is exactly his price, send it to him and let him see, and make sure you are doing the persuasion for them to buy it. And now when you are doing your persuasion, you need to understand that persuasion goes hand in hand with telling people the benefit of the product and not the feature of the product. I believe you're learning something. Please drop a comment, tell me what you're learning in this video, and also like this video, share it with an affiliate who wants to learn more about how to make more money and grow their business as an affiliate marketer. You must be ready to get people who are interested in your product, and you should do it on a daily basis. Every day you should look for ways to get more people to see your product, because more eyes on your product is the opportunity you have to sell those products. If I get 1,000 people to come and see a product I am selling, there's every chances that I may get 10 people to buy immediately. And once 10 people buys immediately, I have made money from them, and I keep pushing my product to the remaining 990 people. Now, these remaining 990 people, maybe 2 will buy tomorrow. We'll keep pushing because they will be seeing that people are paying for it. Yes, and in a few months you see that a good number of them would have converted. You need to focus on getting people. Even though you've gotten 1,000 people and nobody buys, you need to get more people. Yes, sometimes it works organically, you not spending any money, but sometimes you need to spend money and run advert. One of the best ways to get results faster is to run sponsored advert on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and every other platform that allows sponsored advert, and you get more people and more eyes on your product. Remember, more eyes on your product, you have many chances of selling that product. And do not forget to always bring people to see the product you're selling. It is called lead generation. If you want your business to thrive, you must consistently be generating lead. We're still discussing about people factor in your affiliate marketing business. And this second set of people is a mentorship group. You must be in a mentorship cycle where you receive consistent updates. You must be receiving consistent updates on how people are getting results. You must be in a group where people are sharing updates, people are sharing ideas on what they did to get results. You must have a coach. Yes, one of the ways to grow faster is get mentorship and a coach. If you do not have a mentor, someone who has been ahead of you to put you through, please go right now and get it. Because as an affiliate marketer, one of the best things that will help you grow faster is having a coach. Yes, most of my students who are under my mentorship can testify to that, because most of the things that they tried and it didn't work, I was the one to put them through, show them what to do and what not to do, and at the end of the day, they come back saying, thank you so much, sir. And that is how beautiful it is. If you have someone who will guide you, put you through at all time, you will do less work, because that is the only shortcut to success. Mentorship. Yes, it's the only shortcut to success. And if you find someone who will give you everything to make sure you succeed, please hold that person tight and always be loyal to follow the person. It is not all the people who answer coaches that actually coach you in a training such as affiliate marketing. That business is not easy. If you are willing and obedient to run the race and stretch yourself, go long hours and extra mile to work things out and see it working, it will work for you. No business on earth works for lazy people. There is no business that you wake up every day, you sleep, and it is making you money. It's either you have done the work ahead of time or you are sleeping to do the work later. The work part of any business should not be neglected, and that is what even affiliate marketing requires. And in 2024, I really want you to apply this tip, especially the people's factor, because without people, you are not going to get results. And I assure you that if you keep generating, for instance, 100 people every day to see the product you are selling, I bet you in 10 days you would have gotten 1,000 eyes on your product. And I bet you if you consistently do that, in a month you're going to make so much money. Yes, and when you start making little money as an affiliate, do not spend it. Save the one that you use to push your business, because one of the fastest way, like I said, is to run sponsored ad. That is how platform like Facebook can give you plenty people to come and see your product, and make sure you are always ready to deliver value. Some other tips I believe will be helpful to you as an affiliate marketer is to have an optimized social media profile. Yes, someone like me, I have over 12K followers on Facebook, and I purposely started building on Facebook because I want to grow. It can take months for you to grow to a certain level, but you need to keep growing. Make sure you are putting out content there. It's until you are putting out content out on social media that people can be reading your content and then start to believe that you are an expert in what you do. There is no way people will follow you if you're not giving them value. So make sure you are always talking about your business, the benefit. Spend more time talking about the benefit of your product than the features of the product. Nobody cares about what it is made with. They care about what they will get if they get the product. I hope these tips are helpful, and I believe you will apply them. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please share this video to an affiliate that you know, and I believe these tips are just perfect for him. I remain Kingsley Nemeka, and I want you to keep subscribing to this YouTube channel because more videos and more tips on how to become better in your business is coming to you live and direct from this channel. Thank you very much for watching. Just like I say to my student, I'm going to say to you, chase knowledge first.